Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Sugarplum Gradient for day 3 in my 12 Days of Christmas series. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient, I'm going to be using Holo Nightshade as well as Feeling Fiendish and Orally Check Yes or No as well as Taffy to Be Here, which will be my base color. Then once I have the gradient complete, I'll be topping it with Holo Polar Princess, Cosmic Unicorn Skin, and Scattered Holo Taco. I applied some liquid latex around my nails to protect the edges, and now I'm going to go ahead and get the gradient started on the sponge before applying it to my nails. I removed the latex on the final round of sponging, and I'm just going to clean up around the edges a bit before I move on to the toppers. I did a bit more cleanup after applying the toppers, and now I'm going to finish everything off with a quick dry top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. On my left hand we have the gradient on all 5 nails, and on the right we have the accent nail again, but this time on the other nails I did a skittle using all 4 colors from the gradient, and I really like the way that turned out. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can see that holo. And of course, if you would like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.